Hello and welcome to week 2. For week 2, as always, you'll begin with your reading assignment. This week's reading assignment is to read Chapter 4, Sections 4 through 7, and Chapter 8, Section 2 in Let's Get Writing. And remember, you'll just go to the contents, you'll get to the chapters. So for example, in Chapter 4, you're looking at sections remind myself, sections 4 through 7. So you can just click on the 4, and that'll get you right to 4, and you can scroll through to 7. All right, you're also going to look through the Writing Solid Paragraphs PowerPoint, as well as the Revising and Editing PowerPoint, because you are moving from Project 1 Draft to Project 1 Final Copy. Now, I want to remind you that in the review section, you see screencast comments on drafts. So what will happen is as soon as you begin to turn in your drafts, I will create roughly about a 5-minute screencast that will walk you through revisions you should make as you move from draft to final copy. You'll also have a peer review. We'll get to that in just a second. So I want you to wait until you have both of those pieces of information, my comments and a peer's comments, before you revise, so that you do have that feedback to guide you in the revision stage. And then you can turn in your project number 1 final copy. So again, you'll be getting these. They will be linked to your draft. So as you click on the draft up here, you'll see my comments and you'll have the link to that screencast. All right, now discussion form number 2 is your peer review, but note that it is due Friday so that you have time not only to give a peer feedback on his or her draft, but you can also look at yours over the weekend before the Sunday deadline of turning in the paper. So what you're going to do is you'll upload your draft to a post, and in a different post, you'll locate one of your classmates' drafts and answer these questions. Now, what students have done in the past is copied and pasted these questions into a reply and just answered them below each question, or sometimes they've just answered the question right into the reply. Sometimes people have uploaded a document too, where they've copied these, pasted them into a Word document, and then uploaded that. Whatever works easiest for you, but you will need to find a peer's paper and provide comments, as well as upload your own paper so that you can receive a peer feedback too, or peer review too. All right, at the end of the week on January 22nd, which is Sunday, you'll turn in your final copy, and then you will turn in the or you'll finish the grammar and usage checkpoint number 2. If you have any questions about the week, don't hesitate to ask.